If the on-screen image of your Rostra 250-8220 or 250-8221 7-inch LCD monitor is incorrectly oriented due to how the camera is installed on the vehicle, follow these steps to rotate the image to correct the view. First, power on the vehicle's ignition and watch for the monitor's power indicator to illuminate. Next, power on the monitor by pressing the power button. Use the V1, V2 button to select the camera input with the incorrectly oriented image. Press the menu button 7 times to enter the Image Control sub-menu. Use the plus and minus sign buttons to scroll through the 4 image settings by rotating the on-screen image horizontally and vertically until the desired image is achieved. When the image has been corrected, press the menu button 5 more times to exit the on-screen display menu. Now, every time the camera source is activated, the on-screen image should be in the correct orientation. As always, feel free to reach out to us on social media at Rostra Accessories on Instagram, at Rostra on Facebook, or contact us through our website at rostra.com.